Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Roblox error 264. Chapter 1. Fix Roblox error 264 resetting the browser. To start, open Chrome, click on the menu and click on Settings. After that, click on Reset Settings. Now click on Restore Settings to their original defaults. To apply this, select Reset Settings. When you have done this, in the search box enter %temp%, click on File folder. Here, select all the elements and click Delete. You can configure deletion options. Chapter 2. Fix Roblox error 264 from console. To start, enter CMD in the search box. Click on Run as administrator and click Yes to open the console. First, you must clear the cache of the device. Run ipconfig/flushdns. Now you're going to reset winsock. Run netsh winsock reset, press enter. You can now close the terminal and then you will restart the system to apply these changes. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 3. Fix Roblox error 264 adjusting DNS. To get started, enter network in the search box. Click on See Network Connections. After this, right-click on the adapter and select Properties. In this new window, select Internet Protocol version 4 and click on Properties. To adjust the DNS, activate the box, use the following DNS server addresses and enter the desired IPS. Click OK. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.